Definition of
Good morning, class.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
Yeah, good.
You're good.
yes.
Hi. Miss absent today.
Yes.
Silas is absent.
Christy.
Present.
Yes.
Okay. Where is she?
She said that she was not feeling well.
She was not feeling well. Yeah. Okay. Fine. You will mark the attendance at the session. And what do you need plan to do? You need an office lesson. What did we learn in the previous lesson? Sarah? About display boards. So in our previous lesson we learned about display boards. Display. So specifically, what did we learn about display boards?
It is a board that you use to showcase definition of a display board.
Yeah, so we did definition of a display board. Display board. Display board. So what did we do as a definition of a display board? What did we say a display board is?
It is a board that is used to showcase information, learning material in a physical and attractive way.
Is a board that individual tool used to present. After presenting, you can
Organize,
organize and what?
display,
And display
Display
information to your world.
information. So this is a recap of what we did last week. We did definition of a display board. Now today, we are going to learn about today that we are going to learn types of boards. Types of
Display board.
is type of display boards. Now, in pairs of two, I want you discuss in groups of two. Can you discuss types of display boards? Massive, Silas, Miriam, Sarah. Can you discuss types of display boards? Yes, types of display boards. Very fast. Bulletin board. Bulletin board. Bulletin board, very correct. Miriam?
Whiteboard.
Whiteboard. Whiteboard.
Magnetic board.
Oh, Sarah, please. Magnetic board. Magnetic board. Masih? Baru? Chalkboard. Another one? The smart board. Board. Then, okay, you say smart board is like interactive board. Then we have another one. Saila, you also have funnel board. Funnel board. Then another one.
Pegboard.
Yes,
Pegboard.
pegboard.
Yes.
This is
Yes. Yeah. Pegboard.
then we have another one called notice board. Notice board. So these are the types of notice display board. The example of the display board. Those are the examples of display board. So we have these types of boards, display boards. So maybe if you have a look at these display boards, what is the name of this board here? This display board. That's what it's called. That's a whiteboard. That's a whiteboard. So Silas is telling us this is a whiteboard. This is a whiteboard, isn't it? Is it in the document?
Yes.
Why is this one a whiteboard and not a smart board? Now I'll give you as an assignment, isn't it? I'll give you as an assignment to tell me the difference between a smart board and a whiteboard. So I assign it here. Assignment. List 5 differences between a whiteboard and between a whiteboard and a what? Smart board. So I want you to keep the difference between a whiteboard and a what? Difference. So you are keeping the difference between a whiteboard and a smart board. In that case, I will come and collect this one in our next session. In our next session. So what have we learned today? Silas?
We learned about the use of display board.
Display boards, isn't it? The same one? Bulletin board, interactive boards, magnetic board, panel boards, notice boards. Yeah, so I've seen that today you have been able to understand the examples of display boards, isn't it? Yeah, so otherwise that have been wonderful work today. And I wish you all the best. tunataka kila sababu hapa.
Hiyo ni necessary. Ndio aje hiyo.
Ya, so, now we do. Okay. Fine.